Hello, myself Sanchit. Hello everyone. So 1 year back, I was looking for a B1 B2 US visa. So I started searching over the Google nearby places which can help me. So I found ERA Immigration in District Center. So I read, gone through lots of reviews. Plus I had checked many other places as well. So I connected first. I thought let's try and have a chat. What kind of service they give, so I connected over the call with Sangeeta ma'am. So they explained me the process, what how it will go and all charges and everything. So I find charges very nominal, and she helped me with the process. She gave me lots of confidence that we approve already lots of visas and it's a simple process. Everything will be taken care by them only, and charges were very nominal because they were taking care of everything from filling forms to interview scheduling and even preparing for that. So I got some confidence from the talk which I had with Sangeeta ma'am. So I enrolled with them. So then after that, they handed over me to their other person named as Surbi. So Surbi took care of all the everythings. So she helped me by filling forms, interview scheduling, everything. So she take it's just I just have to give some my information to her. That's it. Rest everything she took care about, filling form, interview scheduling, and everything. So once my biometric date came closer, she giving me reminder that you have to take these forms and all, providing me all the information. So then I went for the biometric. It went well. It's very small process only. We just have to show some basic no, our documents only. That's it, and it will be very simple process. And because already Surbi gave me some instructions, so I went to according to those instructions, and it's hardly 10 15 works 10 15 minutes work in the biometric process. And then interview date came. So for interview, Kanika is there in their team only. So Kanika helped me a lot for preparing the interview questions. So how questions they can ask, different type of questions. So Kanika took my 2 sessions. So she informed me all the different type of questions what they can ask. So prepared me if I'm saying anything wrong. So she telling me we only have to answer according to what they are asking, only short and crisp. That's the main motive, that we have to answer very short, on point. So she trained me accordingly. All the expected questions she trained and asked me like a session only. So then I went for US visa yesterday. I had a appointment with them in Delhi only. So again, it went really well, and I got approval for US B1 B2 because all the question I all those were already informed and prepared by India immigration team only. So I answered accordingly and then got approval. It was basic question and answer for me because I was already prepared. So wanted to thank IRA team, everyone who helped me, Sangeeta ma'am from full processing, then Survi for full process, then Kanika who prepared me for the interview. So I definitely will refer other people as well. Thank you.